What is going on YouTube? Just another quick video. It's been a while, so I'm just off to get some side skirts tonight for the S14. Nothing crazy, but it's a video. Tell me if you guys find this shit interesting, because like I do heaps of this shit all the time, but I never film it because I'm like, nah, no one wants to see this shit. But anyway, let me know. Okay, so anyway, I've got to go out to Lewiston to get these side skirts. I have a front lip at home, and I've got these valve side pods as well at home for the rear, but they're pretty ugly. But it depends on what angle you're looking at them, because from the side they look alright, but from the back they're a bit like, hey, it's 2004 again, and I don't really like that. But I'm keen to see what you guys think about what they look like, because if not, apparently I can still buy new bars through Nissan, the JDM Sylvia rear bar, so I may even do that. You guys let me know what you think the best option is. Quick stop in at the servo for my much needed mother's milk. Just got home. Obviously not going to paint them tonight, but we'll tee them up and see what I think, what you guys think. The valve side rear pods, sort of skeptical about these still, but we'll work something out. Unpile all my old Nissan shit. We'll find the front lip to beef up the front end. On a side note, how good is Cohen's K70 looking? We took it out for its first drive in, I think, 2 years now, just last Friday. Definitely needs a tune up, but God, I've missed driving it. Yo! Front lip, battery, side skirt, and valve side rear pod. Let's see how they all look together. One thing I should mention as well is these suckers, they're going to take a bit of work. This does not want to sit even closer. It's not because the splash guard's on, but this will most likely need trimming up the back here, so I can actually push this whole thing forward, get this to sit in line with that. It's going to be a bit of mucking around, but it'll be worth it. Holy shit, this is actually getting me super excited for this car now. Like, it looked so naked before, just not having anything in the middle. The JDM front bar made it look 100 times better than the fucking god-awful ADM bar it came with. But that front lip, the side skirts, which are actually, they're Instant Gentleman ones. Now, I was looking for Navan ones, but if you look at those, they look pretty damn similar. So for 150 bucks brand new, they look perfect. And then we've got valve side pods like I mentioned before. From the side, yeah, but if you look from the back, this is what's starting to annoy me. Like, they just drop off. And I don't know if it works or not. I've got them so I can run them, and if not, I'll get the JDM bar later on. But yeah, just like from the side and the front, man, just like, yeah, that's cool. Just for like an OEM style car, I think that is freaking awesome. The GDR wheels look so good as well. They're like the perfect OEM wheel. Yeah, I don't know. You look at it from this side, it just looks naked. This is all filmed in one night after work, so obviously not too much is going to be done, but we've got something pretty cool looking for like a daily for an OEM styled S14 A to B sort of thing, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about the back, because I am still undecided. Do I go JDM Sylvia rear bar or do I keep it as a Battleside Pods? Please comment below because I need other people's opinions. I am really indecisive with shit like this. Finally, subscribe, like, comment, do all that shit. Quite frankly, I don't even care that much, to be honest. I just post videos on here when I'm bored, or just so I can share things that I'm doing in my life, car related. So if you want to, do it. If not, whatever. Okay, bye.